Before buying a blender for frozen drinks, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. First up, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender priced at $54.99. What caught my attention is its powerful 700-watt motor and the fact that it comes with two 16 to-go cups, making it super convenient for busy days. If you want a reliable blender for smoothies and frozen drinks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Pulse technology means you can blend anything from ice to frozen fruits without any hassle, giving you a resort-like frozen drink experience at home. With over 42,000 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's no wonder that 20,000 plus were bought in just the past month. This blender unlocks hidden nutrients in your fruits and veggies, ensuring you're not just enjoying a tasty drink but a healthy one as well. Now, some people complained about the plastic material of the cups. Here's the thing though, while some prefer glass, the plastic is BPA-free and makes the blender lightweight and easy to carry around. If you're on the go, this is a trade-off I think is worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a compact and portable blender for quick smoothies. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity blender for family-sized servings. For under $55, the value is fantastic. Now, if the smaller capacity of the Ninja Fit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ninja Nutri Blender Pro with Auto IQ. Next, we have the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro with Auto IQ, retailing for $79.97. This one caught my eye with its impressive 1100 peak watt motor and Auto IQ features, which make blending a breeze. If you want to whip up smoothies and frozen drinks effortlessly, this is definitely worth considering. Cups mean you can make larger servings to take with you. Plus, with 11,500 reviews and an average rating of 4.6 stars, it's clear that people love this product. The nutrient extraction feature ensures you're getting the most vitamins and minerals out of your ingredients, which is crucial if you care about nutrition. Now, some users noted that the motor can be a bit noisy. I'll be real with you, it's not silent, but the performance you get makes up for it. If you're blending in the morning while others are still asleep, then that might be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity personal blender with advanced features. Skip this one if noise is a big concern for your kitchen routine. For $80, you're getting a lot of power and convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want flexibility. Product number 3, Ninja Nutri Plus Personal Blender. The Ninja Nutri Plus Personal Blender is up next, priced at $89.99. This blender's 900 peak watt motor really pulled me in, especially with its 3 to-go cups. If you want a versatile blender that caters to various drinks, you should take a closer look. The push-to-blend feature gives you complete control, allowing you to crush ice and blend frozen fruits with ease. With a 4.6-star rating and more than 5,700 reviews, it's a popular choice among users. The nutrient extraction blades break down everything, ensuring you're getting the most out of your ingredients. However, some customers mention that the blades can get dull over time. Here's the thing, as long as you're maintaining it properly, this shouldn't be a huge issue. For most casual users, it performs excellently for a long time. This is perfect for you if you want a compact blender that can handle a variety of tasks. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty machine for family-sized batches. At just under $90, you're getting great quality and convenience. Now, if you're really into making large batches, the next product may catch your interest. Product number 4, Ninja Slushie Frozen Drink Machine. Now, the Ninja Slushie Frozen Drink Machine is a fun option at $299.99. What really grabbed my attention was its rapid chill technology, which can create frozen drinks without needing ice. If you want a dedicated slushie maker for parties or gatherings, this is something to consider. This means you can enjoy everything from frappes to frozen margaritas without any guesswork. It's highly rated at 4.6 stars with 4,000 reviews, showcasing its popularity. The technology ensures drinks stay frozen for up to 12 hours, making it perfect for entertaining. Now, some users were frustrated with the time it takes to make drinks, which can range from 15 to 60 minutes. Here's the thing though, if you plan ahead, it's perfect for creating batches to enjoy later. Just be prepared to wait a bit. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and want a machine to impress your guests. Skip this one if you're looking for something quick and portable. The investment might seem high, but for the right occasion, it's worth it. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which is a user-friendly option for large families. Product number 5. Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ. Finally, we have the Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ, retailing for $109.99. This blender stood out with its powerful 1400-watt motor and family-sized 72 Oz pitcher. If you want a blender that can handle large batches, keep listening. The total crushing blades are perfect for ice and frozen drinks, ensuring you get smooth results every time. With 19,400 reviews and a fantastic average of 4.7 stars, this blender has earned a solid reputation. The Auto IQ presets take the guesswork out of blending, making it super easy to create smoothies, sauces, and more without any hassle. However, some users noted that it can take up a bit more counter space compared to other models. Here's the thing, if you have the space, the performance you're getting far outweighs that concern. This is perfect for you if you frequently make drinks for your family or parties. Skip this one if you have limited kitchen space. For just over $100, it's a great deal for a high-powered blender. So there you have it, the Ninja Fit for portable convenience, the Nutri Blender Pro for power, the Nutri Plus for versatility, the Slushie for fun gatherings, and the Professional Plus for family-sized servings. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.